Recently, the Semester 3 students have received their Semester 2 results. And today, my name is Vanessa Sim, and I'm going to interview them on their Semester 2 results. I can't wait to hear what they have to say. And for the Semester 1 students, I hope that these Semester 3 students can give you guys some useful advice for your studies.
Good afternoon, what is your name?
I'm Anushya from FK1.
I would like to ask some question about your Semester 2 result. I want to know, how do you manage your time with your study and your curriculum activity?
Well, for curricular activities, I didn't really put that much of emphasis because I already fulfilled my requirement for my co-curricular activities in Sem 1 itself by attending a kebangsaan level competition. So co-curricular activities were not really such a big deal for me in Semester 2. I was mostly focused on studying, whereby I usually, after going back home, I finish my important tasks first, like finishing my homework. Then I move on to studying like the most difficult subject for me, which is going to be physics and maths 3.
I understand. Okay, I would also like to ask, what keep you motivated to keep on your studying Stpm?
Well, for me, the greatest motivation is going to be my dad. It's not like he's going to every day say, you can do it in Form 6, but it's more rather of like, I want to follow my dad's lead because he take Form 6 when he was studying and he aced it. So, yeah, I want to follow his pathway and continue on with Form 6. That's my greatest motivation.
Okay, I understand with your comment. Okay, I think that's all for the interview. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vanessa and I'll be interviewing you today. So, would you mind introducing yourself just a little, please?
Sure. My name is Shing and I'm from AM2. Thank you.
Alright. So, the first question I have for you is, how do you think you did with the exams?
I think I gave out my best. So, yeah, I'm quite satisfied with my result.
So it was not different to what you expected to be, or was it different?
Of course, I didn't expect it like 4 flat at first. I just thought maybe 3 point something, but yeah, I was really happy when I got 4 flat for the first time and also the second time.
Okay. Do you think, even though you have 4 flat, there must be some improvements that you think you want to make? So, what kind of improvements do you want to make?
Improvements. I think maybe in terms of discipline, I think it would be better if I could less procrastinate my work and get job done more efficiently.
Alright, that's all. So.
Okay, selamat petang Devi. Saya nak tanya pasal result semester 2 awak. Apa yang adakah awak rasa result semester awak ni bagus?
Kalau kata bagus pun tak, tapi cukup memuaskan, cukup pada Tuhan lah. Apa yang saya telah mengusahakan, telah dicapai, tetapi kurang memuaskan. Cuma perlu orang kata pasarkan lagi lah pisau tu sehingga jadi tajam.
Jadi daripada segi awak punya study, adakah yang awak rasa perlu improve daripada study awak?
Ya, sebab saya rasa saya sejak berbeza dengan semester 1, kerana semester 1 saya rasa saya terlalu aktif dalam semester 1, sehinggalah sampai semester 2 saya dalam bahasa Inggeris burn out. Maksudnya terlalu letih lah, terlalu apabila nak study buku tu nak tengok sikit, lepas tu pergi baring, main phone ke apa, orang kata procrastination lah.
Okay, saya setuju soalan lebih saya. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Vanessa. I'm going to be your interviewer for today. So can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, my name is Tan Kai Pin. You can call me Jay. I'm from AP2 semester 3.
Alright. So what did you get for your semester 2 results?
I actually managed to get a 4 flat lah for my semester 2.
And what did you get last semester?
You mean Sem 1?
Yes.
Okay. Sem 1 I got 3.25 lah.
Okay. So that's a 0.75 gap there, right, that I'm seeing. So how did you manage to close that gap? How did you manage to achieve 4.0?
Actually, before that lah, at the time at Sem 1, I actually wasn't that really focused in my studies now. I sometimes I feel a bit tired, so I will sleep at class. But when it comes to Sem 2, I fully focus on the studies. I stop sleeping. I managed to zero sleep, score my zero sleep in Sem 2 lah. Yeah. So I will do revision lah. I will do all the homeworks and so on. Yeah. I will do some revisions. And that's one important thing. When I studies, I will write down all the notes what teacher is saying. So for me, to easier to revision lah. Yeah.
So are there any advice that you want to give to your juniors?
Try to do your schedule, like your daily routine, so that you won't spend too much time on entertainment, and you can able to spend more time on studies. And try to avoid last minute revision, because this is really tough. This will take a lot of effort. It will be very hard for you if you doing last minute revision.
Okay, that's some insightful advice. That's all for for your interview. Thank you. That is all for the semester 2 results. Some of our seniors got great results, but some of them did not get results that quite meet their expectations. However, there's always another chance. To the current semester 3 students, I wish you the best of luck in your current semester. And for the semester 1 students, good luck on your coming examination, because that will be your first Stpm exam. That will be my first Stpm exam. So good luck to us all. That's all from me. Thank you.